I am going to discuss a wonderful technique for very fast pointing out of active compound in the drug discovery process. This is based basically on the numbers which were discovered by a 13th century Italian mathematician Fibonacci. He found out a series of typical numbers like 1, 2, 3, 5, 18, 31, 21 and so on and so forth. Very characteristic series that each number is a sum total of its preceding two numbers. And therefore it was named after him. Now this Fibonacci series has been used to search compounds in active compounds in a series with minimum synthesis and evaluation and still with a good precision. I am very shortly going to describe the methodology in the next slide. For example, we select a series of 13 compounds and as they are numbered 1 to 13, their carbons are also same. 13 number carbon has 13 carbon compounds and one number compound has got only one carbon. And we are trying to find out what number of carbons are more relevant to the highest biological activity. And we do it we accomplish in only 4 steps of comparison. So we identify the Fibonacci numbers in the 1 to 13 this thing, and we have 13, we have 8, we have 5, we have 3, we have 2 and 1. So the last but 2, 8 and 5 are selected, they are synthesized and they are evaluated. So that is our first comparison. Okay, first comparison is between 5 and 8. We synthesize them and we evaluate them and we find that 5 is more active. That means the activity lies here. These are of no use. So we curtail the series or we truncate the series. We stop considering them. So our series is now reduced for the next comparison to 8 compounds. Again we search for the Fibonacci numbers. The preceding 2 are the 3 and 5. 5 we have already synthesized and evaluated. So we just go for 3. We again in the second comparison we again try to find out, and this time we find 3 is less active. That means indicating that these are not of any use. Our series reduces to this. So we truncate this. Now we rename this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We proceed for the comparison number 3. So we already have this compound synthesized, only we have changed the number. We synthesize another compound, that is the old 6, now we numbered as 3. Then we again evaluate them and this time we find 3 is more active. So again these are not useful, we truncate it. In the fourth step we synthesize only one new compound, that is the old 4 and now the 2 number, and we do that and we find 2 is very active. So in the overall procedure, if you can see, we out of 13 did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compounds, and we could pinpoint that compound number 2 or the erstwhile compound number 7 is the most active. So 7 carbon length is active. So this is a wonderful search technique. It has been used earlier by scientists, particularly in steroid series. It is very good. It is useful to give you very good biological data. Thank you.